Exposing the real reason your iPhone screen won't rotate. It's not always you. Sometimes, it's the phone. Ready for a 1-minute fix? First, double-check your orientation lock. Even if you swear it's off. Swipe into Control Center and look for that lock with a circle around it. If it's lit up, tap to turn it off. Still stuck? Try a different app. Some apps just love portrait mode and refuse to flip. Next, let's talk display zoom. Head to Settings, then Display and Brightness. Tap View and switch from zoomed to standard. Your phone will restart. Give it a sec. Let's keep rolling. Still not rotating? Give your iPhone a quick restart. Sometimes a fresh start is all it needs. If that fails, update your iOS and apps. As a last resort, reset all settings. No data lost, just a settings refresh. If nothing works, your accelerometer might be the culprit. Use the Compass app to test it, and if it's busted, book a Genius Bar visit. Stay calm, your iPhone's got this.